Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making tiger nuts, milky and very yummy tiger nuts. To make this tiger nut, you need your tiger seed, that your tiger nuts. You select the dirty, remove all the dirty that's inside the tiger nut. This tiger nut can be very dirty. You can imagine the number of stone I remove from this tiger nuts. Depending on where you're buying, but I think I bought from a local market. I tell you, the stone is too much inside. If I had not even settled down quietly and pick it, it was very hard for my blender to blend it properly. After picking out the dirt, then the next thing you'll be doing is washing it. This tiger nut used to be is very very dirty, very dirty. You need to smash it and wash it under a running water very well. I wash my almost like 8 times. 8 times I will smash it with my hand. Because I put my sieve under running water, then I smash it with my hands in between the sieve and my hand. Then I remove the water and add it under water. I wash until the water was running through the tiger nut. You can see the transparency of the water, the cleanness of the water. That is when you know your tiger nut is properly washed. Very important to wash your tiger nut. If not, you'll be drinking dirty in your tiger nut. After washing, then I soak it like overnight. I soak my overnight, but I can soak yours like maybe 5 to 6 hours. Then even my dirt, as the I soak it for like same time. When soaking, just put it inside fridge so that tiger nut will not get sour. I don't have fresh ginger, so I added my dry ginger. I soak it along with my dirt. The preview after the next day, or after some hours, then my coconut, I use coconut. Yes, coconut. I use flavor, use the natural coconut. I've already seed my debino. I use my powerful heavy duty blender to blend mine. If you don't have yours, you can go to any local market to blend yours. Depends on the kind of blender you have, so don't stress yourself. Just take it to a commercial blender area and blend yours. Is still okay, but ensure that you use clean water. I use table water, sachet water to blend mine. Yes, you can use bottled water, depends on what you have, because this is not going under fire again. So it's very necessary for you to use a very clean water to avoid drinking germs. um Next thing I'll be doing is blending it. I blend in batch because the tiger nut is kind of much, so I blended in batch. You can see how furry this blender is, very furry. So if you're making tiger nuts at home, you have to use a commercial blender that can blend this smooth for you. This does not even take it up to a minute to smooth this tiger nut. As I was blending it, I was already getting ready with the sieving. You can see how smooth it is. I transfer it to my bowl. Then the next thing I did is to add the next batch, then blend it together again, and to give me another smooth blending. I blend like almost 3 sets of blending before I was able to blend everything. But if you're going for commercial, then they can just blend it once for you. But it's just the stress of going. But this comfort of my home, I know the kind of water I use in blending it. I can comfortably drink it without not thinking anything. No fly catching on me. It's right under my roof. I was one that made it, so it's good if you can blend it yourself. This kind of juice, I know. Oh, I tried using my slow juicer to extract the milk, but it was too slow. I was not having that patience. I just transferred to manual sieving. I use my sieve to sieve out the juice because I don't have time to wait for that slow juicer. Yes, slow juicer is is for people that are ready for it. After that, I get a lot of my milk, and this is my tiger nut milk. Yes, I got from the tiger nut. I got a lot of milk. That debino is very sweet. Then I transferred to my jars. When you make a very delicious drink, just have to calm down and serve yourself so that it's like you feel as in the impact of you making that juice. You don't just drink it just like that. I make sure I pour my and I added ice inside my curve. Then I transfer the milk. That's amazing transparent glass. As you can see it. Oh my god. This tiger nut drink tastes so good. There's another upgraded one I'll be posting later. in the future. But for now, just hold this one. Tiger nut can be taken, can be done with a lot of nuts and some fruit also. But this one, I just use coconut and debino and ginger to make. It's very simple and very very yummy and milky. I tell you, let me know if you be trying this tiger nut at home. I really appreciate you if you can subscribe and share, comment. Let's be friends on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you'll be trying this. Bye.